So, all the parts has arrived now. I fit the CPU block and the fittings, XSPC, and one graphics card block. I don't know if you can see it, pretty dark. And I'm now working on the second GPU. I just cleaned off the thermal pads and I'm gonna apply the new pads. So first off, what you want to have is a ESD band, electric static discharger, I think it's called. Yeah. So quite nice release. I'm connected to a ground in the outlet and you should be safe. When I removed the original cooler, this one, I took the thermal pads from the VRAM and placed it on the cooler. If this card breaks and I need to send it back for RMA, they can be picky if it has been water cooled. So always say the original cooler, and I just take a little bit of plastic around it so it doesn't lose enough pads. For cleaning the graphics card from the thermal paste and the pads, I use a toothbrush, a little flat screwdriver and some alcohol. So first off I used a little screwdriver and I just try to peel off the little thermal paste that's spread out over the GPU, and then I take this little amazing toothbrush, always use a unused, and I just dab it a little bit in alcohol and just clean, and then take a rag or something and take it off. So these are the thermal pads. It's gonna help with the heat dissipation from the chips to the block and into the water. Yes, and with this particular block there is 1/2 millimeter and 1 millimeter thermal pad. As you can see in the manual, this was divided about into 3 pieces. So I just measure it and it's about 60 millimeters. So I just take a ruler and measure where I should make the cut, about right there, and there. So get 3 equal pieces, and I do it on the other side so I get straight cuts. Yeah. And then, oh, this is very bad ruler, it's not precise. Yeah, perfect. Ready for this? Clean up white paper. Ready to get the nice finish out. Place it where you want it to be. Take screwdriver or something. Just carefully. Pick up. Load this plastic. So, now all the thermal pads are on, all the VRAM and the 2 long strips here I placed on the block itself because I think it's simpler. So I'm just gonna add the paste, and there's a lot of different opinions on how you should do this. Some say you should smear it out or 2 grains of rice or across, and I don't know which is the best, so I just go by the manual. It says that it should be in a cross. So yeah, I'm gonna do it, fit the block, and then I have 2 graphics cards ready for my build. Clean this with alcohol, and now put it on. Just line up the screws, make sure the pads goes on right. Like that. Now press so the firm paste spreads out with the die. So I'll take the graphics card. I like to take the hand under and do this wiggly motion. Well, first, if they want it. Don't tighten them first time, just the choosing, and then make so they all kind of is little resistance, and then tighten them diagonally. So the case doesn't use the pressure in one of the directions. So now our focus goes on. We start tightening a bit. So now the graphics card is done. Graphic cards, excuse me. See if I can focus. You know how it looks. And I'm gonna fit it. No, I'm gonna install the motherboard with block first. But before I do anything, I'm gonna clean this bad boy. The radiator. It's gonna flush it out, and then the real build is going to begin.